So today's live video, I couldn't go on live by social media due to the network. So I decided to make video. Today the connection is for solar water heater. So this is it. This is the first room. Yep. Connection. Okay. Connection. This is the second room connection. The toilet is going to be here. There's a floor drawer here. Then there is the bathroom exit here. This is it. Yeah. Okay. All the way up for the solar heater. Let me send you guys to the last but not the least room. This for the laundry room. Yeah. This is it. For solar water heater.